Amid the many challenges facing airport operators, one of the highest priorities has to be passenger experience. Well, the new Terminal 2 at Heathrow puts the passenger right at its heart. As Nick Thatcher found out, Rockwell Collins was integral in the success of this state-of-the-art terminal.
Terminal 2 at London's Heathrow Airport has undergone a transformation to become the world's first multi-airline self-serve terminal. And it's been rebuilt around new technology that promises a seamless and logical passenger flow for the 20 million people now expected to come through its doors every year.
It's a very impressive building, isn't it?
It's a very impressive, very open building, and we've worked hard with the airlines and the airport authority to make the passenger experience as efficient as possible.
Tony Chapman has overseen the introduction of the technology here for Rockwell Collins, which the industry used to know as ARINC. And he explained to me how the automated check-in process works.
It's a very smooth process indeed. The passenger walks up to this self-service kiosks, they select the airline they're flying with, they check themselves in and issue their bag tags. They then move across to the bag drop desks to drop those bags off. And the unique feature here is that the desks handle multiple airlines. After that, the passengers move straight through to security to their departure gates.
Terminal 2 is now home to 24 Star Alliance airlines as well as others. And as you might imagine, many months of careful planning were required to ensure the transition to bring all these airlines under one roof went as smoothly as possible.
Well, in the run-up to the opening of Terminal 2, all the IT provision had to be put in, it had to be tested and working. And as each airline has come here, from whichever other terminal they've come from, there has to be a seamless transition from what they do the day before to what they're doing in this terminal, so that from a passenger point of view, it is absolutely seamless.
We created what we called the model terminal, which basically has all the infrastructure and equipment we use in a departures journey. Working with Rockwell Collins, we then tested with each airline and groups of airlines to prove capabilities. We then came on site and working again with the airlines and Rockwell Collins, I had operational readiness trials with volunteers. The end result was 100% confidence that we were ready to go from an IT perspective. Absolutely no issues at all since opening, and a really fantastic result.
It's another success story for ARINC Airports, which has always had a reputation as a trusted partner to the aviation industry. But since combining forces with Rockwell Collins, its global reach is expanding to provide solutions across terminals at airports of all sizes.
Here at Terminal 2, it's all about putting the passenger in control of their own journey through the airport. But of course there are other terminals here at Heathrow. They have different demands, whether it be self-service check-in, common use applications, flight information displays, and so on. And of course you go beyond the Heathrow Airport environment and there's other airports with other requirements. We can bolt those solutions together in many combinations to suit various airports, and even be the systems integrator to actually fuse the whole thing together.
And Rockwell Collins has an eye firmly on the future of the industry. It's a company focused on research and development and keeps pace with how technology is evolving and customer expectations are changing.
It is critical for us to stay on top of technology and innovation years out in advance. So we're spending significant dollars in research and development in all segments of the market, all to stay ahead of the demands of our customers. And we work very closely with our customers to determine what are the things they need in the future so we can be investing today for the solutions they need tomorrow.
Terminal 2 is now open for business, a new iconic building offering a seamless passenger flow. Rockwell Collins may be the new name for the company that has helped make this happen, but just like ARINC, it continues to lead the way with first-of-its-kind technology at every step of the journey.